Hi friends, how are you? This has been a very difficult year. Some of us have found that we've had to double down on our workload with homeschooling our children and holding down a full-time job, while others are facing unemployment. Some of us are really concerned about our health, but because of the isolation and the difficulties we're facing, are finding it hard to take care of themselves. And why should you care about your health? Well, you are here on this earth for a purpose, and you need to show up with your best self. And besides that, it just feels really good to feel good. I've developed the Better Health Project, which you can utilize to achieve your specific health goals. I'm Laurie Friesen with Living Well Up here. Let's get started. The standard American lifestyle is working to sabotage your health. According to studies of the 10 most richest nations, we spend twice as much on healthcare, yet we have the poorest outcomes. We have twice the rate of chronic illness and obesity, and the lowest life expectancy and the highest suicide rate. Clearly, we are off track, and so many of our chronic conditions can be corrected by our lifestyle choices. Let's get back to good health by practicing those lifestyle choices that create vitality and longevity and health. These practices include: eat whole foods. Mood follows food. Start feeling better quickly by modifying your diet each day. Move. You don't have to work up a sweat at the gym to benefit from exercise. Simply start by moving with joy every day. Restore. A better life starts with a good night's sleep and being able to restore a calm mood. Protect. Keep harmful toxins out and off your body by choosing non-toxic cleaning, self-care products, and more. And connect. Connecting with those around us is an important step in our mental and emotional journey. Good health does not come in one sprint, one cleanse, one fast. But good health comes in those daily habits that we implement. The Better Health Project is designed to help you discover what works for you. Changing our health habits takes time, and it takes support, and it takes repetition. By utilizing the Better Health Project, you will be able to implement 10 minutes a day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year to better health. I've designed this program with several things in mind. One is that we're all very isolated. So I do have a question and answer health coaching session online once a week where we can kind of connect with others that are on the same journey. I think it's going to be fun and helpful to make connections. So invite a friend or family members and reconnect on a project that will benefit both of you. We'll be delivering in your email 5 10-minute exercises you can complete during the week at your own convenience. We're also designing a private Facebook group that you can utilize to exchange ideas and share stories and support each other. We are providing a textbook and a personal journal for your use that coordinates with the exercises that you'll be doing on a daily basis. And just for fun, a celebratory gift at the end of the month. Participate as you wish. You can watch, you can put your toe in, or you can put your toes in. You can boldly walk in, or you can gracefully dive. Or you could just make a big splash. However you participate, join in and let's have some fun. So I hope you'll join us on this Better Health Project journey. Please sign up below. Until then, take care. Be well, my friends. Bye.